All right, guys, so there we got Kenny. Now, Kenny has a bullet wound right here. You can see he was shot in the neck. That x-ray shows that that bullet is still in the neck, so we will be leaving his neck alone.
He ain't had it in a minute.
Stand up, walk around, see how you feel.
Alright, it's better.
Good.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.